Make 5 wearable accessories for St. Patrick's Day. Get beads and a glittery shamrock from Dollar Tree. Glue a strand of beads onto the shamrock with a hot glue gun. Now we get to decorate it. Glue beads onto the center of the shamrock to make it festive and fun. I cut a gold shamrock off another Dollar Tree necklace. We're going to use the gold beads for the next designs. Wasn't that easy? You can easily make a St. Patrick's Day tie in 5 minutes using Dollar Tree items. Use my free pattern to cut the tie shape out of green felt. Measure a piece of elastic about 15 inches long. Glue to the top of the tie and fold over the felt to seal. This will cover and secure the elastic. Tie the ends of the elastic together to form a loop. This is the easiest way to wear the tie, like a necklace. Tighten a double knot to make sure it's secure. Cinch the fabric about 1 inch from the top to make the tie shape. Wrap a twist tie around to hold it in place. I love using twist ties for my designs. It makes it so easy. Now that we have the tie shape, here's the fun part. We get to decorate it. Use a piece of gold leftover Christmas ribbon to wrap around the tie. I found these great Dollar Tree St. Patrick's Day necklaces. I'm cutting pieces off to decorate the tie. I used hot glue to keep them in place. I used gold pieces of the necklace to accent the top. Wear it like a necklace for an instant tie. Wait till you see what's next. Make a St. Patrick's Day bow tie in less than 5 minutes. Use a piece of leftover felt from the tie. Cut out the felt using my free pattern. I like to use fabric weights. Gather the center to make the bow tie shape and fluff the ends. Wrap a twist tie around the bow to secure. Twist ties are my favorite thing to use to make a quick and easy bow. Keep twisting to make sure it's tight and wrap the ends around the front. Adjust the sides to make the perfect bow shape. Trim all 4 corners into a curve shape. These little touches elevate the look of the bow to make it look expensive and more high-end. Use a sharp pair of scissors to give it a nice clean cut. Measure a piece of elastic about 15 inches long. Attach the elastic to the back of the bow with a hot glue gun. The hot glue makes it very secure. Glue a piece of gold ribbon around the center. I like to use leftover Christmas ribbon. The ribbon covers the twist tie and is a nice accent. We're going to use the same St. Patrick's Day necklaces we used for the tie. I got these from Dollar Tree, and the set included both green and gold shamrock necklaces. I cut pieces off and used hot glue to decorate the front of the bow tie. I used the gold shamrocks to accent the corners. Tie the ends of the elastic together to wear it around your neck. Or you can attach it to a headband. Isn't this fun? Wait till you see the next one. Make a bracelet using leftover felt and beads from the ties. Cut a piece of felt 1.5 by 7 inches and hot glue elastic to the back. Measure and cut pieces of the shamrock necklace and glue to the front with hot glue. Glue pieces of the green necklace to the top and bottom edges of the necklace. Use craft glue to add sequins or rhinestones to the center of the shamrocks. Tie the ends of the elastic together at a length that will easily fit over your hand. I love this bracelet. It's so easy to make and so much fun to wear. Make another bracelet, this time with ribbon and wider elastic. Cut the elastic the size to fit around your wrist. Add accents and glue it all together with a hot glue gun. See what's next. Learn how to easily make a St. Patrick's Day hat look high-end. I got the green hat from Dollar Tree. It already had a black ribbon and a buckle. I added green sparkly ribbon and rhinestone strips. Cut 2 pieces of ribbon about 10 inches long or the size you would like the bow to be. Glue the ends of the ribbon together to form a tube. Add glue to the center of the loop and press together. Add the 2 pieces together to form a bow. Repeat with a thinner sparkly green ribbon. Glue it at an angle so all the loops are showing. This bow is so quick and easy to make. Hot glue a green flower to the center and glue it to the side of the hat. Hot glue a green shamrock to the center of the flower like the one we used for the necklace. Add feathers to finish your beautiful St. Patrick's Day hat. Which one was your favorite? Please subscribe. I post new videos every week. Till next time, bye!